Whitening that works in just 15 minutes. Gentle, wireless, and totally next gen. I created the GuruNanda Professional Whitening Kit. Deliver clinical grade results at home. No wires, no mess, just a brighter you. Our gentle hydrogen peroxide and carbomer formula targets stains from coffee, wine, food, or soda, while the 16 LED blue light accelerates every session. Use it anytime, anywhere. The waterproof LED is cordless and rechargeable with 40 whitening sessions and a 15-minute auto shut-off to keep things very simple. It's safe on enamel, crafted with care, and designed to give real results without the harshness. Innovation backed by good karma. Your smile deserves the best. Try the GuruNanda Wireless Whitening Kit and shine on your terms.